Stock means owning a part of company. When the company owns, you earn too. It is called share. When you buy a share, you become the owner of company. The part is small but important. That's why it is called ownership. Money is made in two ways. Either the share price goes on or the company gives profit. To start investing, you need a brokerage account. It is easily made online. Without it, you cannot buy shares. eToro, Robinhood, or Interactive Brokers are popular trading platforms. You can buy shares by creating an account here. Deposit a small amount in your account. This will your first investment money. Don't invest much at the beginning. Always buy a shares of good and strong companies that are growing and have a bright future. Check the company's reputation, profit, and growth. If the company is in loss, be cautious. Don't put all money in one share. Distribute it among different companies. It is called diversification. ETF is the easiest and safest investment. It includes shares of many companies. You get a complete package in one purchase. Start with a small amount. Gradually increase your experience. Don't try to get rich quickly. The market goes up and down. Don't worry, this is normal. Patience is the key to success. Shares keep for a long time. Give more profit. This is called long-term investment. Check your investment after a month or 3 months. Checking daily increases stress. Keep confidence and patience. Always keep learning and studying. Small mistake give experience. Good thinking, understanding, and patience are the success.